If you're currently in a debt management plan in England, then a DMP review is a regular feature that you should definitely know about. In this vehicle, I'm going to give you a comprehensive guide to DMP reviews to help guide you through the process. First things first, what is a DMP? A DMP, or a debt management plan, is an informal arrangement that helps you make sure that you can afford to pay off your debts in a specified period. It allows you to pay back your debt as a regular monthly instalment to a debt company, which then distributes it to your creditors. DMPs can be incredibly helpful if you're in a difficult financial situation. They give you more time to deal with your debts and also provide debt advice and other forms of help from your debt management company and your DMP provider. But what exactly is a DMP review? A DMP review is a formal assessment of the terms and conditions of your debt solution, normally conducted by your DMP practitioner and the company they are associated with. The review assesses various factors related to your DMP to ensure that it's fair towards you and that you're not facing excessive difficulty in making regular repayments. Under normal circumstances, DMP assessments are done at least once a year, but this can vary depending on your situation. It could also be initiated by a significant change in your conditions, requiring a formal change in the terms of your DMP. So why is a DMP review important? Your debt managers are trying to help you pay back your debt as quickly as possible, and they may want to check how good your current debt solution is for you. If they find certain hindrances or irregularities, they could suggest changes to the plan to help make sure that you're able to pay back your debts sooner than before. Your DMP review will address whether the monthly payment you make is set at the right threshold. If you're underpaying and can easily afford to pay a larger sum in payments each month, your DMP review can identify that. On the other hand, if you're paying too much, your DMP review can fix that as well. But how do you prepare for a DMP review? You need to provide proof of your current income before a formal review commences. You can send a copy of your most recent bank statement that lists your income on it. You also need to know the details of your income, such as how often you'll be paid, the amount if it varies, and other logistical details. A DMP review can be one of the most crucial phases of your entire DMP experience. It can make your DMP arrangements significantly easier for you if done right. If you're struggling with debt, then a DMP may be right for you, but there are a number of other debt solutions available here in the UK. Some are free to use and others include fees, and each will have their own pros and cons. If you want to learn more about the debt solutions available, then we've created a really great form that you might be interested in checking out. Click the link in the description to get started and answer a few multiple choice questions like the total amount of your debt, how many people you owe, your living situation, and we'll connect you with one of our trusted partners so that you can find out more and take steps towards improving your financial situation.